What's going on, everybody? It's your resident tech jockey, TJ Mike. I'm here with another helpful tech video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to change the default search engine in Microsoft Edge. If you're like me, I prefer Edge over the other browsers as I've found it to be a bit more efficient than the rest of them. So let's go ahead and dive right in. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to open Microsoft Edge. And if we go up to the address bar and just type something in to search for it, as you can see, it goes automatically to Microsoft Bing. Shocker. So we want to change that. So we're going to go all the way up to the top, these three little dots, settings and more, and we're going to go all the way down to settings. On the left side in the navigation pane, you can see privacy, search, and services. Let's click that. And then we're going to scroll all the way to the bottom of that page, and we're going to click address bar and search. Now in this screen, you can see three options. Search engine used in the address bar, which is what we want to change. There's a couple of default options they've put in here for you, so you can go ahead and use Google. Now you want to make sure that on this new option that pops up, search on new tabs, uses search box or address bar. If you like using the address bar, we're going to go ahead and click address bar. And now when we open up a new tab, and we type test, it will now search Google. I'm going to show you a couple of other things here too. There's a couple of nifty features in Edge that you can use when you're using the address bar. If you don't want to change the default, but you'd like to search in another search engine, you can just type that search engine's address and press space. For Google, we're going to do google.com space. It'll change to search Google test. You can do the same with any other search engines that have been added to Edge. So let's say Yahoo, for example, yahoo.com space, and it will now search Yahoo test. And as you can see, it is now searching Yahoo. Now, what if you want to search a search engine that isn't in here? Well, all you have to do is search for something in that search engine and it will be added to Edge. So let's go ahead and find one. Search.brave.com. So we're going to search Brave. So let's just search for anything. We'll do test. All right, now that we've done that search, we're going to go up here to the settings again, privacy, search, and services. Scroll all the way down to the bottom, address bar and search. And now we can see that Brave search is in here. It's pretty neat. We can change it to where it does it in the address bar, just like we did with Google. If we open up a new tab and type test, we now, by default, search Brave in the address bar. Now, if you'd just like to see what search engines have been added to Edge, we can go up here to the settings again, click Privacy, Search, and Services, scroll all the way down to the bottom, address bar and search, and then Manage Search Engines. And from here, you can see what engines have been added to Microsoft Edge. And any of the ones in here can be used just like I showed you. If you type in now search.brave.com in space, it will search Brave. So that's the way that you can search any of the engines that have been added to Edge without having to change the default. I hope this video has been helpful for you. Let me know if you have any questions, drop them down in the comments. Don't forget to like the video and please subscribe. Thank you.